Beautiful babes, welcome to Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am your girl, Sweet Angel, and I got a hot one for you today. I hope you're loving it. Beauty bangers back to back. Yay! I've been working hard just for you. Y'all, let me not hesitate because this one today, my papaya won't keep. It's an anti-aging mask. Honey, we're tired. We're tired and we're ready to reduce the signs of aging. The wrinkles, the fine lines, the dark spots, the enlarged pores. Bye. Let's get to this mix, y'all.
Will you just look at this? This is superbly divine. Let me tell you what's in it. I'm starting with papaya. You know that papaya is rich in antioxidants such as lycopene that may defend against the visible signs of aging. This nutrient-packed fruit contains a host of vitamins that have been proven to reduce signs of aging, such as wrinkles, dark spots, and enlarged pores. Papaya is rich in enzymes that help remove dead skin cells. To make this mask, I am just taking a 1/4 cup of the papaya, chopping it up, and I will blend it in my little magic bullet here. Just blend it or puree it and make it into a smooth, creamy puree. That's all you have to do. Once it's all cut up and pureed, we'll be ready for the next ingredient. So it shouldn't take long for that. I also added in just a little bit of water here, just to make sure that it blends smoothly. Just enough again to make it smooth blend. And oh, its magic is working already. I know it. I love papaya. It has so many amazing benefits. So let me just scoop out a 1/4 cup of the papaya puree into my bowl here, and then we'll move on to the second ingredient. Now we're taking a tablespoon of argan oil. Argan oil, made from the fruit of argan trees, can help combat the drying effects that aging has on the skin, effectively reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and improve the skin's elasticity, which then encourages a more youthful appearance. Argan oil is a natural source of omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E that you need to have a beautiful glowing complexion. Argan oil works as a great moisturizer for the skin. It softens the skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now I made sure my face was cleansed. Y'all, this little brush that I used in order to cleanse my face, I got it from, I don't know, some beauty box or something. I can't remember, but I will try to find one that is quick, easy, convenient for you to use instead of pulling out your steamer or doing a whole big exfoliation. This one is so amazing in order to do that. So let me check to see if I have a link for you for that. And now all I'm doing is to my exfoliated and cleansed face, I applied a thin layer of the papaya mask and I let it dry for a moment, and then I applied the second layer. Now, any unused portion of this can be stored in the refrigerator up to 7 days. The vitamin E in the argan oil will help preserve it. Once you have it applied, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. If you do this mask every other day, you will be seeing some amazing results in your skin. And it's now dry, so the argan oil has risen to the top. Papaya again is great for anti-aging, for acne. It'll help give your skin this beautiful glow that no other fruit I know of really does that. It's amazing, amazing for mature skin. It helps to tighten up the skin and get rid of wrinkles. This is a great anti-aging mask that you're going to love. Now, once you wash it off, look at the glow on my skin, my baby fresh skin. It's so soft. It's so wonderful, y'all. This is so amazing. I can't wait for you to share your thoughts on it when you use this mask. Or I guess you could call it a serum, because it's sort of a mask, it's sort of a serum, but it is so incredible. I truly, truly love this. Now, ripe papaya acts also as a mild exfoliator, so it's going to gently remove dead skin cells from your skin and make your skin look radiant and younger looking. It clears off dirt and oil that can lead to acne and breakouts on the face. And it's also rich in enzymes that help treat sunburns and soothe irritated skin.
And there you go, beautiful babes. I hope you enjoyed it. It's an amazing, amazing mask. Easy, simple, whip it up tonight. If you enjoyed it, please let me know you enjoyed today's video, that you got something out of it. All you have to do is drop a like on this video, drop me some hearts down in the comments, and that'll absolutely let me know that you are loving what I do. So thanks a lot. Listen, don't keep me a secret. Continue to do what you do. Spread the word. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell. And please keep on sharing me with your world. Thank you so much. Bye.